Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Comfort Zone Twin Window Fan. If you're looking for the best window fan on the market, this might just be it. Let's explore why. The Comfort Zone Twin Window Fan is renowned for its exceptional features and versatility. It's designed to fit most window sizes, ranging from 23.5 inch to 37 inches wide, making it suitable for various home and office environments. This fan offers 3 speed settings, low, medium, and high, allowing you to customize the airflow to suit your comfort needs. Whether you prefer a gentle breeze or powerful cooling, this fan has you covered. It's not just a fan, it's a versatile tool for your space. Choose from cooling mode to refresh your room, exhaust mode to remove stale air, or circulating mode for optimal air distribution. Enjoy the ease of controlling this fan from anywhere in the room with the included remote. No more getting up to adjust settings, everything is at your fingertips. The accordion expanders ensure a secure fit in your window, providing stability and efficient airflow. This feature sets it apart, ensuring it fits snugly and operates smoothly. With 70 watts of power and a voltage of 120 volts, the Comfort Zone fan delivers efficient and effective cooling, circulating up to 431 cubic feet per minute of air. If you're looking for reliability, ease of use, and powerful performance, the Comfort Zone Twin Window Fan is a top contender. It combines affordability with functionality, making it a favorite among homeowners and office managers alike. To wrap up our review, the Comfort Zone Twin Window Fan stands out as a reliable, versatile, and effective cooling solution. Whether you're enhancing airflow in your bedroom, living room, or office space, this fan delivers where it counts. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, stay cool and comfortable with the best tools on the market. Take care.